Hey everybody, a couple weeks ago I went to Home Depot and they had these DEWALT jump start boxes marked down. They were like 154.
That was 130.
They were like in the 150, 130, 140, somewhere around there. So my other one that I've had for years, the battery went dead in it again, and it seems like I was constantly putting battery in it. Because you go on the internet, you buy a battery for it that's supposed to be for it, and they don't last. I don't even think I jump started a car with it. And also too, the cables really sucked. So this was the right price. I think it was left over from Christmas actually, and it was already July. That was August, almost September. So they were left over from Christmas, so we went ahead and bought one. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened up and take a look and see how good it looks. So haven't even opened it up yet. Okay, check that out. No packing for the most part. So here we go. Here is the charger. Kind of don't like that. I kind of wish it would have a built-in charger, because these tend to get misplaced and you don't know where they went. So let's go ahead and get it out. All right, we got it out. Let's go ahead and, by the way, if anybody's wondering, this is a DXA EPS 14. It's supposed to be a 1600 peak jump charger. It has an air compressor up to 120 PSI. It has 2 UBIT PS power ports to 6.2 amps, alternator tester, and 2 500 watt outlets. So it's an inverter style. It has a huge book. Huge book in English and in Spanish. And quick reference guide. Yes, they did a quick reference guide. So there's a quick reference guide. Just get it out of the bag. Okay, so I see how this one works. This one's a little bit different than I'm used to. So first thing I noticed is that both jump start cables are on this side of the machine. So they clip in, you unclip them. Let's take a look and see what they look like. Okay, they look okay. The wire in it is, you can't really see how thick the wire is, but I'm going to say that that is not a very thick jump cable wire. Let's see, can I read what it says here? Not really. So anyway, so you have both jump starts on the one side, and they clip in the center. All right, for storage. All right, this side over here is your air compressor. There is your air compressor. All right, it has
the one you screw in.
You screw it on to your valve stem. So there is that. Let's put that in the back. Let's take a look at the front. And the front, we have your 4 USBs, and you slide that up to get to your inverter, your 110 power inverter, and your 110 power inverter there. So it's got a light. Hey, 12.6 volts, excellent.
Yeah, it's not picking that up, but
yeah, that's okay. It's because of its LED, I guess. So you can go to alternator check, and it'll check your alternator. AC power, you turn your AC power on, and then your AC outlets will come on. USB, there's your USB is lit up. Cut that off. Air compressor. Oh, I guess you can adjust it. It's adjustable. So you can adjust what pressure you want. I know it's probably not picking up. I have it set at like 71, and then you, and there it goes. And it'll start pumping up. And it will pump up, and then I guess shut off when it's full. Actually, that's pretty nice. To prevent overheating, air compressor will automatically shut off after 10 minutes. That's handy too. So let's cut the light off. Let's see, how do you cut it off?
Should just go out.
You think it should go off on its own? Air compressor on, USB on. See, because the USB you can turn it on and off. AC power you can cut on and off. Alternate up, you're right, it finally went off. So there is that part, and then let's see around back. Oh, around back, that must be the light. Let's turn the light on again. And there it's got two or four. No, it's got 4 LED lights in the back that you can cut on. That's actually pretty nice. Let's cut the light off. And this must be the port where you charge it. So that goes in there, you charge it, and there are more instructions. Quick start guide. We need to read the quick start guide. So I'll go in and read this, but I know it probably says something about immediately charges unit for a full 40 hours upon receipt. This unit internal battery is shipped in a partial charge state and must be fully charged before use. Fully charge the unit immediately after purchase, after 30 days, and every 30 and after each use. Lead acid batteries can lose charge over time. Regular recharging can optimize performance and battery life. So that's always good to know. On this DEWALT one, you should recharge it every time after you use it, and then every 30 days. That is a very good thing to know. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in. Hopefully this will be a good unit for us. I do like the lights. I got the charger plugged in. We will find an outlet to plug that in.
Should bring it in the house and plug it in.
We could. I think we'll just plug it in out here, because they want you to charge it up for a full 40 hours. That's like, you know, 8 hours a day, 5 days. So that's 40-hour week, work week. So we'll go ahead and read the quick start guide and look through the book. But hopefully, you know, these things always work pretty good. It's not too heavy. So there you have it, an unboxing of the DEWALT jump box that has a air compressor, USB ports, an inverter, a light. What else could you want, really? All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner down there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos, and maybe once we get this charged up, we'll have to see if we have a car to jumpstart. And if we jumpstart it, I will leave a comment in the description. I'll let you know how it did. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching.